So, so I'm having like a burping contest thing, and I hope it gets really popular so all YouTube. I thought it'd be really cool. Just to, like, everybody drink pop and like everybody responds to the video or something, and then they just do really big burps, and you have you can burp as many times as you want, but you can only have 3 burps in your video that you want to put in there. So good luck. Okay, that really sucks.
It's hard to be humble when I do the breaststroke through an underground tunnel and come up on the other side in a jacuzzi, being greeted by 2 naked models with suds on their booties. Lots of kisses, and they ask me what my wishes. I say go and call your bitches, 'cause there's gonna be a party.
No, that didn't count.
Next they watch
that was just an afterbirth.
And then they say, "Fool, your royal penis is clean," and I'm like, yes, it's on and pop it, yes. The party's rocking, yes. The cutie's shocking, yes. And there ain't no stopping, yes.
I don't think I have another one.
Yes. The party's rocking, yes. The cutie's shocking, yes. And there ain't no stopping. Every day I see my dream. 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 Every day
That didn't turn out very well. So everybody who has watched this video, send it to all your friends, and if you can make videos, that is amazing. And then you could like just respond to this video, and we're gonna have like a huge burping contest just for the fun of it. It doesn't, yeah, there's no prize, it kind of sucks, but still, just for the fun of like seeing who's like the burping king or queen. Okay, bye!